see the easy using of the machine here. Stepping on the foot pedal in order to put the machine to the ground level flat position. Adjusting handle to suitable position. And 360-degree rotating handle. Access to power. 3-phase electric plug. Adjusting wire holder. Put wire hand on the wire holder to prevent wires on the floor in operation. Enhance security. Stop switch. Start switch. LED lamp switch. Forward and reserving switch. At this point, you can see the control panel display voltage, hertz, current, revolutions, and the total run time. Red lamp, power lamp. Green lamp, running lamp. Speed control, adjusting running revolution of the run time. This is water valve. Dust vacuum connector. Connecting vacuum is very convenient for jet grinding. Pressing the power switch button, machine start running and green lamp up at this time. The machine is running smoothly. Thank you for watching.